Picture this. You're cruising down the highway in a car that's already clocked 200,000 miles, maybe even approaching 500,000, and it's still purring like the day it rolled off the assembly line. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the automotive world's greatest overachievers, the 15 cars that have earned legendary status for their unbreakable reliability. These aren't just vehicles, they're mechanical marvels that have redefined what it means to go the distance. Before we start this engine, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're about to reveal some serious automotive secrets that could save you thousands in repair bills and help you find your next bulletproof ride. Coming in at number 15, we have the Honda Odyssey, the family hauler that refuses to quit. Since hitting the market in 1994, this minivan has been the unsung hero of soccer practices, road trips, and everything in between. The latest models boast an impressive reliability score of 81 out of 100. And here's the kicker. Owners routinely see these workhorses push past 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. What makes the Odyssey special isn't just its ability to swallow entire families' worth of gear, but its remarkably low maintenance costs and rock-solid resale value. The models from 2017 to 2021 are particularly bulletproof, earning top safety awards while delivering the kind of dependability that makes family life actually manageable. At number 14, we're switching gears completely with the Mazda Miata, proof that fun and reliability don't have to be mutually exclusive. Since 1989, this little roadster has been putting smiles on faces while rarely putting owners in the repair shop. The Miata's secret weapon is its simplicity. Fewer complex systems mean fewer things can go wrong. With a stellar 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating and annual maintenance costs of just $429, it's one of the most affordable sports cars to keep on the road. The NC generation particularly shines with its solid construction, and while you might need occasional repairs like radiator work, these cars commonly sail past 200,000 miles with their engines singing. Number 13 brings us the Subaru Legacy, an underappreciated gem that combines all-wheel drive capability with impressive longevity. The fourth generation models, especially from 2005 to 2009, showcase Subaru's engineering prowess with their robust flat-six engines and bulletproof handling dynamics. The 2006 and 2007 model years are particularly stellar choices, though later continuously variable transmission-equipped versions didn't maintain the same reputation. What sets the Legacy apart is its ability to handle any weather condition while delivering the kind of fuel economy that makes daily driving economical. At number 12, the Mazda 6 proves that mid-size sedans can be both engaging and endlessly reliable. This sedan's engineering excellence shines through its turbocharged engines that deliver up to 250 horsepower without sacrificing dependability. The 6-speed automatic transmission provides smooth operation for the long haul, while features like G-Vectoring Control Plus help preserve tires and suspension components. With proper maintenance, these cars have been known to reach an astounding 600,000 miles, making them one of the smartest long-term investments in the sedan segment. Number 11 showcases American truck heritage with the Ford F-150, a pickup that's become synonymous with durability and capability. The 2011 and 2012 models introduced the game-changing EcoBoost technology, delivering both power and efficiency in a package built to handle serious work. Later models from 2018 and 2019 feature aluminum body panels that resist rust while maintaining structural integrity. The various EcoBoost engines, particularly the 3.5-litre V6, have proven their mettle in both work and recreational applications, consistently earning high marks from reliability experts. At number 10, the Chevrolet Suburban demonstrates that size doesn't have to compromise reliability. This full-size SUV offers 3 distinct powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient diesel that can achieve up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. With cargo space reaching up to 1,447 cubic feet with seats folded, it's a family-friendly giant that can handle both people and cargo with ease. The 2024 model maintains strong performance ratings, though it's worth noting that choosing the final model year of any generation typically offers the most refined experience. Number 9 takes us into luxury territory with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124, a vehicle that redefined what automotive durability could mean. Built between 1984 and 1995, these cars were over-engineered to an almost absurd degree, with many examples easily exceeding 500,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The diesel variants are particularly legendary for their longevity, though all W124 models share the same fundamental toughness. This generation represents Mercedes at its most quality-focused, offering luxury car refinement with tank-like durability at surprisingly affordable used car prices. At number 8, we encounter the Toyota Camry, a nameplate that's become virtually synonymous with reliability. Available with either a 2.5-litre four-cylinder producing 203 horsepower or a more powerful 3.5-litre V6 generating 301 horsepower, these engines are designed for longevity above all else. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth operation while maximizing fuel efficiency, up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway. With proper care, Camrys routinely exceed 600,000 miles, making them one of the smartest choices for anyone prioritizing long-term dependability. Number 7 brings us the Honda Accord, another entry that proves Honda's mastery of building cars that simply refuse to quit. Known for combining reliability with engaging driving dynamics, the Accord offers spacious interiors and efficient performance in a package that regularly sees owners reporting smooth operation well past 300,000 miles. The well-engineered components ensure years of trouble-free service, while the stylish design and roomy cabin make every journey comfortable. Whether tackling short commutes or long-distance travel, the Accord delivers consistent performance mile after mile. At number 6, the Toyota 4Runner stands as a testament to rugged reliability. This SUV's body-on-frame construction makes it incredibly durable, capable of handling harsh weather and rough terrain with equal aplomb. Many owners report their 4Runners lasting well beyond 300,000 miles with minimal issues, thanks partly to Toyota's legendary 22RE engine, one of the most reliable power plants ever created. The spacious interior and powerful V6 engine make it equally capable in urban environments and off-road adventures, while strong resale values make it a smart financial choice. Number 5 showcases the Toyota Land Cruiser, a global icon built for the most demanding conditions imaginable. With over 10 million units sold worldwide, this SUV has proven its mettle in every environment from desert expeditions to suburban driveways. While the initial purchase price is substantial, annual maintenance costs of around $800 are reasonable for a luxury SUV of this caliber. With a reliability score of 83 out of 100, the Land Cruiser combines legendary toughness with smooth ride quality and luxury amenities, making it equally at home on highways and mountain trails. At number 4, the Toyota Sequoia represents the pinnacle of family-friendly SUV reliability. Since launching in 2000, the Sequoia has built an impressive reputation, particularly in models from 2009 onward. These later generations feature fewer problems and smoother operation, making them ideal for families planning to keep their vehicle for many years. With a reliability score of 83.5 out of 100 and annual maintenance costs around $642, the Sequoia offers exceptional space and durability, with repair rates where only 15% of issues are considered major. Number 3 brings us the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, proving that luxury and reliability can coexist beautifully. This flagship sedan combines cutting-edge technology with the kind of build quality that keeps these cars running smoothly for decades. The advanced engineering extends to every system, from the powerful engines to the sophisticated suspension that delivers an incredibly smooth ride. While maintenance costs are higher than mainstream brands, the longevity and refinement make it worthwhile for those seeking the ultimate in luxury car dependability. At number 2, we have the Toyota Prius, a revolutionary hybrid that changed automotive history while proving hybrids could be incredibly reliable. There are documented cases of Prius taxis reaching 600,000 miles on original hybrid batteries, virtually unheard of reliability in the automotive world. The hybrid system actually reduces wear on both the engine and brakes, leading to lower maintenance costs and fewer major repairs. Even high-mileage examples often drive like new cars, making them exceptional values in the used car market. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Lexus LS400, the luxury sedan that redefined automotive excellence. Journalist Matt Farah famously drove his LS400 to 1 million miles, showcasing the incredible durability of this engineering masterpiece. Launched in 1989, the LS400 featured a powerful V8 engine designed to run smoothly for decades while delivering whisper-quiet operation and supreme comfort. The combination of luxury appointments and bulletproof reliability makes this one of the greatest automotive achievements ever, offering maintenance costs far below other luxury sedans, while providing ownership experiences that rival much newer vehicles. These 15 automotive legends prove that reliability isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about building a relationship with a machine that becomes a trusted companion for hundreds of thousands of miles. Whether you're shopping for your next vehicle or simply appreciate automotive excellence, these cars represent the absolute pinnacle of what's possible when engineering meets ambition. Remember to subscribe for more insights into the automotive world's most dependable vehicles, and don't forget to check out our other content exploring both the most reliable and least reliable cars on the market today.